In today's video, I'm going to show you how to select multiple files in Google Drive quickly and easily. Whether you want to move files, organize folders, delete a group of documents, or share several items at once, knowing how to select multiple files can save you a lot of time. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Google Drive tips and step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. This will take you straight to your Google Drive homepage where all of your files and folders are stored. Once you're in Drive, make sure you're in the correct folder or location where the files you want to select are listed. Now, let's start with selecting a range of files. This is the easiest method when your files are listed one after another. Click the first file in the list to highlight it, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While still holding Shift, click the last file in the range that you want to select. As soon as you release the key, Google Drive will automatically select every file between the first and last one. This is perfect when you need to grab a block of consecutive files all at once. If you want to select every file in the current folder, there's an even faster shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl A. On Mac, press Command A. This will select all of the files currently visible in that folder. It's a great option when you're working with a full set of documents, images, or other uploads and you want to apply one action to all of them at the same time. Another quick tip is that once your files are highlighted, you can now perform actions like moving them, downloading them, sharing them, or deleting them in bulk. That's what makes multi-select so useful. Instead of clicking each file individually, you can manage your drive much faster and more efficiently. If you accidentally select the wrong file, don't worry. You can simply click again to remove the highlight from that item or adjust your selection and try again. The key is to remember that Shift selects a continuous range, while Ctrl or Command +A selects everything in the folder. And that's it. You now know how to select multiple files in Google Drive using two simple methods. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.